Now let's start by coming here and say what we want is we want is we want the let me call it the potential highest potential then we give it say highest potential, say clean underscore df, clean underscore df, that is a data frame which we had cleaned, so we can say df dot sort method. This is just a sort method, sort underscore value, sort underscore values, and after that we normally code a method like that, and inside we're gonna take let me say we're gonna take a column here, which is this one, this column over here. Take it like that and bring it right here, and after that we hand the filter. And how do we filter? We filter by saying descending is equal false. Why false? Because okay, sorry, it should be ascending, because the ascending is false, and this false it should be also capital F because this is Python. Ascending is false because all time ascending is true by default, whereby this data is coming from is starting from smallest to the highest. Now it will start with this will start with the highest to the smallest, right?